Hello everyone. We are going to create a run cycle using our character, the same simple character. As you can see, there are 24 frames in this animation, and we will only focus on how to get the feet animated so that the character runs in place. You can see that the first animation we created, the character was moving forward, but in this animation, the character is going to move on the spot. So if you look at, I will unhide all, and then you can see all the helpers. And when you are creating animation, what you need to do is you need to create key poses. So if I select the character's feet, you can see that there is a key pose at frame number 0, and there's a key pose at frame number 6. We will talk about the 5 and 7 later on. There's a key pose at 12, so the legs just switch. And then so basically there is this pose, 6 pose, 12 pose, then it reverses at 18 and goes back. And what the 5 and 7 are is that this leg, it stays on the ground for a longer time, so it gives the illusion of weight. Otherwise it will look like the character is flying. So to give that illusion of weight, I have added extra keys for the feet to be planted on the ground for a longer time. And then now you can see that the feet stays on the ground a little longer, and then it gives that illusion of weight. I've also added very slight tilt of head. Maybe you can see it here. The character will tilt his head again to show some weight animation. To give some realism, we have added some rotation to the head also. Okay, and then what I have done is, if you look at the left side, I've created some boxes for the key poses. So you can see that the front foot is in this direction, the back foot is in this direction, and then at frame number 6, those feet fit here, and then at 12 it goes back. At 18 they are again in the same place, and 24 they go back. Okay, I also have reference videos, so I think this was a good reference. I downloaded it from okay, so it is important to get a reference. This was the other reference I got.
You could say that a run cycle is broken down the same way.
Okay, so this was a little bit more extreme, so I used that, and then found out. So if the character was there, then the character's knee would be like this, little bend here, and then this knee will be like this. Okay, this will go up and this will come down. So let us see how to animate a character like this.